So I've got the OnePlus 13 and I'll be showing you how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your phone. So this is very simple. All you have to do is make sure your Bluetooth mouse has batteries in it and then put your Bluetooth mouse in pairing mode. Okay, so different mice have different ways of putting them in pairing mode. For this particular MX Master 3, all I have to do is press that button, and with that button blinking rapidly, I know it's in Bluetooth pairing mode. And then now I can go to the Bluetooth settings of my OnePlus 13. So in the Bluetooth settings, you can see my mouse has been discovered. All I have to do now is click on pairing and then confirm I want to pair, and it's going to get paired and connected literally that easily. So now my Bluetooth mouse is now paired to my OnePlus 13. Very simple. And you can actually see there's a pointer on the screen as I move the mouse, and I can use it to open apps, okay, to scroll and do some other stuff. This is perfect for gaming. So if you're one of these avid gamers, you can use your mouse for easy gameplay and other things you might want to do. Now you can adjust the size of this mouse pointer by going into settings. So let's try and go into settings using the mouse. And under settings, go to accessibility and convenience, and then go to accessibility, and then go to interaction, and then you should see the option for large mouse pointer, and you can enable that for a much larger mouse pointer. Okay, now if you don't want it, you can turn it off from here. And then also you can change the sensitivity. So if you go back to the main settings page under system and updates, and then you want to go to keyboard and input method, you should see the option at the bottom there for mouse pointer speed. So you can increase the speed, that will make your mouse move faster across the screen, or you can reduce the speed for slower movement across the screen. Okay, so personally I prefer to leave it down somewhere in the middle, but depending on your needs, you might want to increase or reduce the mouse pointer speed. But that is basically how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your OnePlus 13. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.